Stay tuned to see how I made this fuse bead art from a picture of Jessica Rabbit. First, the design stage. I load the image into the Perler app and crop it. Next, I select the colors. This can take time to get right. I just play with different colors until I find a good mix. When I'm happy with the colors, I save them to a spreadsheet. Then I export the bead sheets for each pegboard. Then I export the design with and without pegboard boundaries. And now I'm ready to bead. I work one pegboard at a time, color by color, until the pegboard is done. I stack completed boards to the side, which gives me more space to work, until finally all the beads are laid and we're ready for the next stage. Now we put the pegboards together like jigsaw pieces. With the whole picture together, I make some final adjustments, and now she's ready for taping. If you don't know about the tape method, check out the book in my Etsy shop, Tape Her and Flip Her. Remove the pegboards carefully. Fix any beads that have shifted. Now she's ready for the parchment paper. And finally the iron. Remember not to set it to hot, so the beads don't overmelt. Iron in small circles. Apply weight and leave to cool for at least half an hour. Now check your work. Re-iron any unmelted patches. Reapply the weight. Leave to cool again. Repeat until all beads are melted. When you're finally ready, remove the tape. Thanks for watching.